Hey guys, this is Lucas from Brydges Ford, and this is just a quick walkthrough of how to set up FordPass on an Android device. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Play Store. Just click it right here, wherever it is on your phone. You can search it as well. And then under your search bar, you want to type in FordPass. Just make sure you get the right one. You can just click the first thing that pops up and bring you right to the page, or if you just hit search, then it'll bring you a list. If you do go for the list, then make sure you get the one at the top that says FordPass, none of those other ones. They're not the correct program. Then you just want to hit install, and then when it's finished downloading, you will open it up. Then once it's open, it'll just bring you to a page here. You want to hit Canada, go next. If you already have an account, you can type in your username and password. And then if you have to make one, if it's a new car, then you say create account. Type in your name and your email. I'm going to use my work one here. Remember using them if you want to just remember it for the simplicity going forward. Type in a password, so there's some regulations to it. Must be 8 characters. Can't be the same as Gmail. I just do 2020 F150 just for simplicity's sake. And then you hit accept the terms and conditions, and then you hit next. And then it'll just ask you for some personal info. So once it's finished loading here, right, then you just put in your address. Might ask to save the password with Google. Preference if you want to do it or not. I have some of my stuff grayed out here, but just putting. Scroll down to Ontario for the province, unless you're not from Ontario. Phone number is optional. I think I just open it up here to show you the keypad, but you just hit next, then it goes to the next screen. All right, create a little pin. I just do 1912, which is the last for our phone number here. Do whatever you want. It doesn't let you do simple codes such as 1111, stuff like that, but for the most part, you put whatever you want. And then you just can go through this little tour here. It just tells you what the app can do. At any point, you can hit skip in the top right corner just to go through it all. Yeah, and just kind of gives you a little overview of everything you can do with it. All right, then you want to hit add a vehicle. If you know the VIN number, you can just type it in. For most people though, you want to hit that camera button right there, and then it will open up a little scanner. You have to hit allow to allow the app to record video. And then I'll just bring up something up like this. This is just my computer. But then after that, you go out to your car. I just picked an Expedition we got here. And usually the VIN barcode is at the side here, somewhere along the door. And the Expedition is right here. It does vary vehicle. So then going back to the phone, you just scan the barcode. And then when it's worked, it'll say searching. And then it will eventually bring up the vehicle. There you go, vehicle found. All right, you can give it a nickname if you want, or you're going to say get started. I just call mine test. More loading screens. All right, and then it just gives you a little overview of what the app can do. Hit allow to all the permissions there. Want to make sure you're not driving. So to go forward, you hit vehicle details, and that will bring you to a vehicle info screen. And then you want to hit activate vehicle. So this is going to be pairing your device to the to the vehicle. Once you hit activate vehicle, it'll come up with this screen here, which is saying accept prompt in vehicle. So give it up to 90 seconds, and then you can go up to the vehicle, make sure it's on, and you'll have a screen like this pop up, saying your phone is requested access. Just hit allow. And then when you go back to the phone, you have that vehicle authorization complete at the top there. And then you have all the info for the vehicles. Oil life, tire pressure, kilometers location. And then to use any of the features, you just hold down one of the buttons until it starts spinning like that. The vehicle was already on when I did the remote start, so it's just going to keep spinning here. But if you do unlock while the remote start, once it's finished, there will be a little prompt saying it has worked. That's it for this video, guys. Have a great day, and talk to you soon.